We've been brewing up something for the pros. 12 new products built to carry you through October. Let's see what crept into the lineup this month. We're starting off strong with the big release from Moerman. 3 new tools built for working pros. The Accelerator 2.0 wide body handle keeps the same feel you already know, now built to run wide body channels. And it locks at 45 degrees on both sides for more control. The Premium Snapper 2.0 handle follows it up with a refined grip texture and clamping teeth that hold your rubber firm through every pull. And the Shark Blade Scraper features a 6-inch head with adjustable angles and an innovative lock that only exposes the blade when you're ready to work. And XERO's carbon fiber trad poles just got a new look. Now available in white, orange, and a blue-green gradient. Same carbon strength, but with new paint, because great tools deserve to look good too. Next up, something small but extremely useful, the World Enterprises Cutter. Easy to carry and ready to cut squeegee rubber wherever the job takes you. Slide the rubber in, press down, and you've got a perfect fit for your channel. From cutting to cleaning, the ribbed recycle surgical towels deliver every time. 100% cotton, lint-free, these towels are great for detailing. And from SqueegeeLife, add some style to your setup with the Sörbo Blue Lightning Channel Keychain, a powerful design that'll make your keys shine. And for our water-fed pros, the XERO digital flow meter keeps your setup precise and efficient. Battery-powered and compact, it shows you exactly what's moving through your system. And pair it with the Uni-Valve Pro, and you'll actually see how much water you've saved. It's a compact inline valve for your water-fed pole. Tug to start or stop the flow, and cut waste without slowing down. It's also available in a soft wash version and can handle chemical use. And for the Sörbo crowd, a small update. The classic Sörbo swivel handle now comes in white. Same trusted build, now with a clean new finish. And Maykker's bringing brass channels into the lineup. They're sold as channels only, giving you the flexibility to pair them with your choice of rubber. And if your handle doesn't secure the rubber in place, just add standard end clips and you're good to go. And finally, the 2026 WCR Calendar, featuring photos of real pros and a reminder of what this trade is all about. And that's the October lineup. Stock up quick before these fade into the fog. Only at windowcleaner.com.